Okay, so today we are playing Top Gun 2. I chose it because I think that a new movie is about to come out. Tom Cruise still kicking, but right now we got a pretty small screen for our flying preferences. Oh, are we doing something? No, I tried to hit the keys. It did not work. But, I like it so far. It's a lot of colors, some noises. Those are all good forms of entertainment. I I'm not sure how to start this. Uh, size. What do I do? Oh, I'm missing something. Okay, click on game window ending and start the game. You might just start twice and agree you complete game when someone create. Um, reading up with their instructions. We'll figure it out. Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. Hey. All right. Hunt down and destroy the enemy's new high-tech bomber. All right. We're gonna see how this goes. Nice directions. My mission is clear. Clearly. Um, you know, I will say that in newer games, the instructions are not very clear, but I guess in contrast, at least you got a little bit more freedom because I'm just pressing stuff and I don't know what exactly it is I'm doing. Okay, okay, the A button is how you do things. Okay, let's see. Um, A again. Oh, S is liftoff. Okay, all right. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Um, okay, the instructions are clear, but I think that they could have done a little better with explaining what exactly it is. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's let's go back to the instructions. Yeah, let's do that. Um, let's see. Left, right, up, down, A, B. Okay, okay. X, Z. Um, A, B, X, Z. Okay. All right. Let's give it another shot. We got A, we got B, we got X. Oh, okay, okay. We got a motion. Reading is fundamental. Okay, I got you. I got you. Okay, we have a clear cursor. As long as you can get the objects within this cursor thingy, you good business. Okay, I dig, I dig, I dig. All right, well let me get past level 1 because this is a little embarrassing. Um okay, let me see. Missile. Mm, I want to get the big boys. Use it sparsely, but